Hi, in today's episode I have a project to do to insert a precise table with 6 rows and 4 columns. That columns have these sizes of 4, 5, 1, 5, a total of 16, 15, with heading, default style, centered, and the rows to have 1 centimeter height. Let's see how to create a table like this. We don't want to select from here. We want to go to more options in order to insert the heading. So let's create my table. We want 6 rows. So we want 6 rows here and 4 columns with heading. Let's check that repeat heading. And we want 1 row to be heading and default style and insert. Now let's see. We have 6 rows, so this is okay. We need 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4. We are done. We need 15 centimeters. We didn't do that, so we have to solve that. With heading, let's go to check. It's table heading, it's okay. This is table content and this is table heading, so this is resolved. We need default style, we check that. We need centered, it's not centered. And we need the rows to have 1 centimeter height. We didn't solve that. Okay, let's see how to solve all these 3 problems. Let's go to table properties, and from here let's change. Now the table is automatic from left to right, but we need a precise width of the table of 15. So 4 with 5 with 1 with 5 is 15. We need 15 and to be centered. On the columns we need to have like 4 and 5 and 1 and remaining of 5. Okay. So let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeters. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's perfect. 1 here and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. It's very precise. The total is okay. So we solve that. We need to center, and we centered. I have 1 centimeter here left and 1 on the left. So this is also resolved. The last thing we have to do is to have rows of 1 centimeter. Let's select everything and go to size, row height, and here let's check 1. And now everything is okay. Let's view the vertical ruler. I have exactly 1 centimeter height here. From here to here I have 1 centimeter. So everything is solved now. Let's write something in the table in order to see what we have done. Now let's see the heading. Let's go here in styles. Let's modify this table. Let's have a font of 16. Okay, so now it's changing everything. Also I can select that and apply table content, and I can change from here. I can modify from here everything I want. I want bold, you can see it's bold. I want it italic, it's italic. And everything I change over there, it's changing. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more video. Thank you.